Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is confirm the list of inputs on a tax return, the list of documents on a tax return. And first, let me just say, if the video looks a little weird today, the camera's a little weird, it's because my usual good professional camera is not working and I didn't have time to mess with it. So I'll mess with it later, I guess. But in any event, back to the topic. So about half of us work with a professional tax preparer, and we don't do our own tax returns. That means that some level of communication must go on in order to wind up with a good quality uh, level of assurance that the tax return is correct and complete. There's one simple step to help ensure that I notice a lot of individuals and tax preparers tend to omit, and just taking this extra step would go a long way towards improving the quality of tax return preparation. And that is simply to confirm the list of documents that are used to prepare the tax return. In my case, I put all of them into a computer folder, which you can actually reel out screen clip. And let's say it's 17 documents. And so the very first email, I use what's called tax status update email throughout the process of working on a tax return. And the very first one would confirm the engagement, confirm the time frame and the details, but it would also confirm, it would say, I received these 17 documents that will be used to prepare your tax return. If there's anything more, please let me know. I found this is particularly useful in the case of married couples where each person is handling their own documents and perhaps using two different emails addresses. We use a secure portal, but in some cases, I have a secure portal for the husband, a secure portal for the wife, and a secure portal for them jointly, particularly if they have a business together. And it can get confusing. It's easy to not receive a document. And of course, this episode is sparked by a true story where it happened this morning, where I was missing a document on what we thought was the final review of a tax return. We had to stop and pause and go back and add one more. So would love to hear your thoughts, comments, or feedback on this topic. Or if you want to speak with me one-on-one, that's easy to do also. Find me at taxproblems.cpa. And I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Savings Minute.